Now it is recording. Okay. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. So what I've told you is median refers to the value which lies in the middle when data is arranged in ascending or descending order. Second thing, we can say if we have a median, then there are half terms which are less than this and half terms which are more than this. Okay, so you can say whenever you've got the median, there are half terms which are less than the median and half terms which are more than the median. So this is the property of a median. Mode was simple. Mode was the term which comes the most. Suppose you have a data 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Abhas, what happened, beta? You open your camera. Now, in this case, okay, please tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what is the mode in this case? What is the mode in this case? Mode is 1 because no, but mode is not 5. Mode is 1. That term which is repeating again and again. Yes, 1 is repeating 5 times, but it is not the mode. 1 is the mode. Okay. Sir, how can median can be done in descending? It is same beta. Ryan, when as we are arranging in ascending order, similarly you can arrange in descending order, you will get the same answer. Okay. Sir, if it is not given in ascending order, so we have to write it. No, no need to write. It is understood that you are arranging it in ascending order. Okay. In this case, 1 is the mode. And what is median? Please tell. What is median in this case? What is the median, class? Median is also 1. So we have got in this case mean is mode is 1 and median is 1. Let us check. Median is the middle term when data is arranged in ascending order, and this is already in ascending order. There are how many terms? 9 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. 1 is the median as well as mode. So in our example, both are same. Now let me make it different. If I make it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now tell me, what is the mode of this new data? Please tell me, what is the mode of this new data? Please tell me, of this new data, again, the mode is 1 only because 1 is coming 5 number of times. 1 is coming 5 number of times, 3 is coming 4 number of times. So mode is the number which is coming maximum number of times. So 1 is the mode. Now tell me, what is the median of this example? Tell me, what is the median of this example? Okay, Banipreet, Parth, Mani, Tushita, you all are correct. Kanishka correct. Tushita correct, beta. So in this case, we have different mode, different median. Why? Because mode is simple. The term which is coming maximum number of times, that is 1. But median is that value which is in the middle when you arrange data in ascending order. If you see there, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 terms. We will make a group of 5 on this side, 5 on that side. What is left is the median. So 5 gone, 5 gone. This is the median. So there are cases where we have different median, different mode, and there are cases when we have same median, same mode. So don't confuse with this. Okay. Now let's start with the question. Question 1 of 3.2 that I gave you homework yesterday. I hope most of you have done this. Let's see. Question is saying the score in mathematics test. Nilakshi Maurya. Okay. The question is saying the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is given to you. There are how many students? 15 students. So what will be the middle number? If there are 15 numbers, what position is of the middle number? Please tell. But Sarah, I will discuss that, don't worry. Yes, if there are 15 numbers, no, not 8, not 20, no. Okay, yes, 6 and 6, 7, 7, 14. Okay, yes, correct. So in 15, we have a group of 7, that is 14 numbers. So the 8th number will be the median. Correct, beta? Sorry for Sanvi, it is 8, it is 8 only, beta. So when we have 15 numbers, we make a group of 7 on the left side, 7 on the right side. The middle one is 8th number. There is a trick also to find this. The trick is very simple. Suppose there are 15 numbers, add 1 to it and divide by 2, you will get 8 as answer. So 8th number is the middle number. Okay. So first task is to arrange data in ascending order. All of you, please write in chat box the numbers in ascending order so that it can help me. Please write the numbers in ascending order. Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt. Can we take mean when the number of observation is odd by formula n equal to n number of observation n plus 1 by 2? But it is a formula for this only. What you say, median. Tushita, this formula is for median n plus 1 by 2. Okay, that I have shown over here. Now, let us write the number in ascending order first. So your voice is very much cracking. I hope all of you are getting my voice correctly. First, we will write the number in ascending order. First number will be, I think, 5. First number is 5. Second number is, please help, 9. Third number is 10. Fourth number is 12. Fifth number, okay, please you help me now so that we don't waste time. Okay, you are saying after 12, but we have beta 15. Okay. Also mark a tick mark on the numbers you have taken so that you don't get confused. After 15 we have 16. This one. After 16 we have 19, I guess. Okay, 19 is there. Then we have 20. Then we have 20 again. Then we have 23. Oh, sorry, one more 20 is there. Then we have 23. Then we have, oh, we have 4 20s, sorry. One more 20 is there. Then we have 23 we have taken. Now we have 25, 25. Let's count. Have we taken all the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One number is missing. 25 only. I guess it is correct. Ascending order. Please confirm. Is it correct? We have 4 20s and 3 25. No, sir. 24 will become where, beta? Okay, do one thing. You can check on your own. I'm just telling you how to find. Okay, please check on your own whether this order is correct or not. Okay, 24 is left. This one. You can correct it on your own. You can write the numbers in ascending order. And then I've told you the formula is very simple. If there are n number of terms, n number of odd terms, then median is given by, then median is equal to, there is a formula, n plus 1 by 2th term. This position is the median. So let's put the formula. The value of n is how much? Value of n is 15. So put in the formula, 15 plus 1 upon 2 is 16 upon 2. Answer is 8th term. So let's count the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term is 20. So answer is 20. I hope answer is correct. I hope median is correct. Okay, good beta. Now you have got the formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. If you don't remember the formula, In case you forgot the formula, the best way is make half on the left, make half on the right. Whatever is remaining in the middle is the median. I hope you got this, all of you. You got both the ways, by formula as well as normal grouping. I hope you all got this. Okay, thank you, Midhansh. Sir, do we have classes on Saturday? Beta, did you had class on last Saturday? Sir, please repeat Lavya is saying. Mode is 25, median is 2. Okay. Okay, Lavya, please see. First thing is you have to write these numbers in ascending order. In my case, there is one mistake. I don't know because I don't want to waste time. Students are saying there is one number missing. I think 24 is missing. 24 will come here, I guess, somewhere. Okay, you can check. After writing the numbers in ascending order, you have to see what is the middle number. To find the middle number, there are two ways. Either you make groups. There are 15 students. Make half group of 7 on the left. Make half group 7 on the right. Whatever left is the median. Second way to find the median position is this formula. N plus 1 by 2th. So n is how much? N is number of terms, which is 15 over here. So 15 plus 1 upon 2 is 16 upon 2. Answer is 8th term is the answer. And 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 20 is the median. 8 is not the median. 8 is the position. 8 is the position of median. That is 20. Okay. Let's see one more example. It will be clear to you. In this question, question number 2, we have 11 players. Again, odd number of terms. The formula is applicable only for odd number of terms. So please see, in this case also, we will first arrange the data in ascending order. So first number is obviously 6, I guess. First number is 6. Second number is 8. Third number is 10. 10. There are 2 tens. Fifth number is, I guess, 15 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 15, 15, 15. After that, we have 5050 ones. Then we have 8080. Then we have 100. And then we have 120. I hope this time I am correct. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms. These are the runs scored by a player in a match by 11 players. So we have to find the mean, median, and mode. So to finding the mean, the formula is very simple. Mean is given by sum of all observations upon total number of observation. Please tell me what is the sum of all these values. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 upon we have 11. Please tell me the sum. Anyone? The sum is 429 or 428. Some are saying 428, some are saying 429. All of you are confusing me. So we can write this in descending and then find the median. Yes, but you can try on your own. Answer will come. Okay, try on your own. Now let's see. Let's count them. It is 220, 300. It is 220, 300, 350, 365, 380, 395, 405, 415, 421, 429. So it is 429 upon 11. I guess it is correct. Please confirm. Okay, it is 429 only. Can we solve it? Can we divide it? 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 2. Yes, we can divide it, beta, because the rule of 11 is saying us 11 3s are 33, What is remainder? Remainder is 7 plus 2, 9. So 99 is a term. 11 nines are 99. Answer is 39 is the meaning. Now we have to find the mode. Please tell me what is the mode of this question. Tell me what is the mode. Sir, y upon 11. Abhas, there are 11 terms, beta. That is y upon 11. Okay, all are saying 15 is the mode. Very good, because mode is that number which is coming maximum number of times, and as we can see, we have 15 3 times. So answer is B part. Answer of mode is 15. So we have got different mean and mode. Now let's see for median. For median, I have told you there are two ways. Either you make two groups and find the middle number, or you go with the formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. The value of n here is 11 because n is 11 number of players. So put number of n 11 plus 1 upon 2. It is 12 upon 2. That is sixth term will be your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 15. So median is 15, mode is 15, mean is 39. So in this case, two things are same, third thing is different. All of you got this? Nana is saying 39 is about mean only. Okay. Okay, class, one more thing. In this question, in starting only, I arrange the data. I want to tell you one thing. We don't need to arrange data for mean and mode. We don't need to arrange data for mean and mode. We only need to arrange data for median. Okay, but in our case, I had to find median. That is why I arranged data in the first step. So they are asking, so we will write one statement also that these are not same. Yes, Banipreet, you will write, as the question is saying, are the three same? You will say no, the three are not same. Sir, can you repeat? Okay, Nirakshi, I'm repeating. In this question, we have to find mean, median and mode. To find the mean, you have to add all the numbers divided by total number of, what you say, observations. So we have found the sum as 429 upon 11. When we solved it, we got the answer as 39. Sir, please unmute me. Okay, Manit, 1 second. Actually, I don't allow in between the class to unmute anyone, but still you are requesting. Okay, Manit. Please unmute yourself.
Sir, I have a doubt that if there are even numbers instead of odd numbers, so how we can find the median?
But when you have even numbers, in that case, we have a different technique that is not in your course right now. Still, if you people want to have an idea what we do in that case, I will give you a simple example. Okay, but don't take that seriously. That is not in your course. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Now mute yourself. Okay, I'm muting you, so don't worry. Now you are on mute. Now see. Sir, I know. Tushita is saying. Very good, Tushita. Now, so we have found the mean. Second is mode. Mode is that observation which is coming maximum number of times. Obviously, that is 15 only. It is coming 3 times. Third is median. To find median, we have 11 terms. We know if you make a group of 5 on left side, a group of 5 on right side, what is left between is the median, and that is 15. Other way to find is by formula. Formula is saying n plus 1 upon 2 term. So n value is 11. 11 plus 1 upon 2 is 6th. So 6th term is the answer when you arrange in ascending order. And we have got the answer as 15. So it is important to arrange in ascending or descending order. Yes, beta Abhas. So someone name is Oppo A38. Who is this? Oppo A38. Beta, we will mark your absent. You will be marked absent in Zoom classes. Please tell your name, and tomorrow onwards come with your correct name. Please tell me fast or I will have to expel you from the class. Oppo A38, tell your name fast. Oppo A38, tell your name fast. Sir, can you give an example of even median? But I'm giving 1 second. So I hope this question is clear to you. Now you can try the remaining questions on your own. I am giving you an example of even number of terms. Okay. Rishi is saying, so let me give you an example. See, this is not in your course. Still, I'm giving you. Suppose we have a data in ascending order. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me, can you find the middle number? What are the middle number in this case? There are even number of terms. Even number of terms. This is not in your course. Just trying to tell you the difference. Yes, what is the middle number? Please help. Sir, someone name is, yes. Okay. 4.5. 4.5 you are saying. Okay, 3.5. Someone is saying 4. Someone is saying 4.5. Okay. In this case, we have two middle numbers. If you see clearly, we have two middle numbers, but we want only one. Let's understand. If you make groups, we can have a group of three. A group of three. We have two numbers in the middle. So to find the final answer, we have to take mean of these two. Understand this thing. To find median of even number of terms, first we find the middle numbers. There are always two middle numbers, which are 4 and 5. And finally, we take their mean. 4 plus 5 upon 2 is 9 upon 2. Answer is 4.5. This is the median. I hope you got this, because in between them, median is 4.5. I hope you got this. This is not in your course. Yes, Nana, it is 9 upon 2. Good. Ritika, you got it. Very good, beta. Now, time is 9:47. We have some time left. Let's see. Yes, sir, clear. Good, beta. Now, let's see one more example. Always, before coming to the class, try these questions from your side, so that when I explain here, it is easy for you to understand. Okay. This question is easy. You can try on your own. Okay. You can try on your own. Question number 5. Fourth is also easy. You can do on your own. Let's see question 5. Tell whether statement is true or false. First one is saying the mode is always one of the numbers in data. Is it true or false? Abbas, I know, beta. Don't worry. Abbas, I know. Okay, some are saying false, some are saying true. Let me tell you, this is absolutely true. This is absolutely true. First, try to understand what the statement is saying. It is saying that mode is always from the given observation. Yes, it is always from the given observation. We have seen, suppose the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7. In this case, we see 3 is coming 3 times. So 3 is the mode. 3 is the mode. Similarly, in any question, we can see that mode comes from the observations only. It is never coming from outside. Yes, class. Are you getting this? It is saying the mode is always one of the numbers in data. Mode हमेशा data में से ही आता है. Mode is never a different number. Mode comes from the given data only. So we have seen that mode comes from given data only. Hence, this statement is true. I hope you got this now. Yes, beta, it is true. But sir, in last question, mode was 2 and 5. Beta, mode can be 2 also. It is saying it is one of the number from the observation. समझो, ये कहना चाह रहा है कि मोड हमेशा जो नंबर्स होते हैं उन्हीं में से आता है. That is correct. Okay. Nana, I hope you got this. There can be more than one mode also. It is okay. But the question is different here. It is saying that mode is always from the observations. So यहाँ पर ये बात सही है. हमेशा mode given observation में से ही आता है. Okay. Second statement. The mean is one of the numbers in data. It is very important. Okay. Those who are saying homework is not opening in the end tab, there is some issue, I know. Don't worry. The homework you all know, your side also, that this 3.2 you have to do. Okay, complete in your copy. Okay, most of you are saying false. Very good. Now, we all have seen some questions where the mean came as 39.5, 20.5. The number was not there in the observation. Let's take an example. Suppose you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you have 4 quantities these, and you want to take mean of this. So mean of this will be how much? Sum of all observations upon total number of observations, that is 4. It will be 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 upon 4. If we divide it, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2.5. So mean is 2.5 in this case. Can you find 2.5 in the observations? Do we have 2.5 in the observation? Yes, very good, Daksh. It is false. Yes, class. So you can observe the mean that we have found is 2.5, and 2.5 doesn't belong to our group of observation. So in the case of mean, it is not important that we get from observation only. Yes, we can get in some cases, but it is not important that we will always get from observation. Okay. Hazel is asking something, and I am saying, please tell. Hazel, beta, what you are saying? 1 second. Sir, how 2.5? Okay, Hazel, please see one more time. I gave you a data. Suppose it is, you can say it is number of trees in 4 parks. Number of trees in 4 parks. In first park there is 1 tree. In second part there is 2 trees. In third part there are 3 trees, and in fourth part there are 4 trees. Now our inspector comes and says, please give me a mean of this data. You will say it is very easy. Sir has taught me a formula that sum of all observation divided by total number of observation gives me the mean. So what you have done, you have added 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 upon 1, 2, 3, 4 observation, that is 4. So this is the formula. When you add this, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 4 upon 10. Let's divide completely. 4 2s are 8, 2 is remainder, point here, 0 will come, 5s are 20. Answer is 2.5. I hope you know how to divide like this with decimals, because it is very basic thing that you should know. Okay, so we have observed that 2.5 is the mean, and 2.5 doesn't belong to the observation. Hence this second statement is false, because mean can be from outside also. Mean can be from outside also. I hope you got this. Yes, I hope all of you got this now. Okay, very good. Now, sir, I'm still confused. Charvi, do one thing. Watch this lecture with calm mind on your TV, because it is in YouTube. You can watch it very easily on your television also. On a bigger screen, you can watch. Open it and take a copy. Pause it, write it, and understand it. Okay, it will be easy for you. Now, time is less. Please switch on your video.